Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, DJI Nano. I have DJI Osmo Nano, and now I can show you how to enable or disable built-in mic audio backup. This feature is a real lifesaver. When you're using an external mic, like a wireless one, the camera can still record the sound audio track using its built-in microphone. That way, if your main mic disconnects, cuts out, you still have backup audio to save your clip. Of course, quality will not be so great, but it's also great for mixing, so you can blend the ambient sound from the built-in mic with the clearer voice from your wireless mic for more natural sound profile. So maybe you saw it in some video blogs. Okay, so open settings, scroll a bit down and find built-in mic audio backup. And as you can see, I can't enable it. I can enable it because unable to save audio with videos recorded in slow motion mode at 4K, 120 FPS or 200 FPS. So we should first, it's very important, is to check out how you recorded it, for example. Yeah, so it was in slow mode, so now I have normal video, right? Now I have normal video, so I will record now normally in Full HD 30 FPS, right? So let's check, is it available now or no? Open it, and yeah, as you can see, now it's available. So that's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to leave a like and a comment below. See you.